What is happening, everyone? We are back today with another video on the MK3. Today we're just going to be tidying up a few things. Obviously from the last video, obviously we got the quarter and the seal all nicely welded on, so we're going to be just cleaning up the welds, getting them nice and flat, ready to be filled over. I'm going to clean up both sides where it needs welding on the floor, and then probably the biggest task of today is just rubbing down the rest of this bay, rubbing down any bits that have like rusted up and any bits that you can see from the actual guide coat originally, and then any areas that need priming over we'll just go over that we've rubbed through on, i.e. this little plate here. But we'll be leaving that because that needs a skim of filler. But just any bits that I've rubbed through on, we'll just give it a little clean and a quick prime with a rattle can. I'll send some pictures to Luke as he's at work at the minute, just to make sure that I'm doing things alright. I'll just send him a quick little video now and then we should be able to crack on. But for now I will literally just be grinding down these welds, get that job done first, and then leaving the bay till last. Okay, so painfully after some time later, we have got it all ground down and underneath. Go up the quarter and along. Round and then in the inner arch too, or on the arch itself. So yeah, I didn't really want to time lapse all of that because that took a long time, and I appreciate you probably don't want to sit there and watch a time lapse for the whole thing, so that's fine. So what we're going to do now is I need to get some sanding belts, my belt sander, because I didn't realise that I only had like one left, because it's probably been around a year since I've opened this thing up. So what I'll probably do is wire brush this area, get rid of any crap, and then see which metal is good, which a lot of it isn't. As you can see, it's very soft, so we'll just wire wall the area, both sides. And what I'm going to do as well is there is a patch here, so we'll be grinding that off today as well. Okay, so off camera, just been doing a bit of graft, got the actual plate off now and all the rest of the crap all underneath in that little pile there. So left a bit for the chassis rail, so you can see there's a tiny pinhole in it, but that's easily sorted. And then we've got the actual chassis section as well here. Spots to it, there's a bit of floor here, but again I can cut that out if necessary, it's not a problem. And I've just left a small hole here, so when Luke comes around he can just assess. And then it's just silly things really, like another little pinhole, and then I think there's another one back here which is there, but getting there slowly. So I think now we're going to move on to getting the engine bay sanded, because I just want to try and do as much as I can today. So let's put you on a time lapse and get sanding, I suppose. Okay, so that's enough for today. I'm shattered, and not only that, I've got something where I've got to go out. So getting there. That's quite hard to see because it's very bright, but we're getting there slowly because we need to get the guide coat off, which is, as you can see, just around these sort of areas now. bit on the bulkhead still, but that was the main thing, just to get that bulkhead done, like up where it meets the scuttle. Slowly but surely gonna wire brush all this back and then just reprimer it. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. Please like, subscribe and comment for more content, and I'll catch you later.